Are you a budding scientist, engineer, or inventor? This children's book will unlock your inner maker through 18 amazing step-by-step science projects, from an automatic nightlight to your own remote-controlled snake. Inventor Lab is a science activity book for children that is all about building, experimenting, and inventing with technology, electronics, and mechanics at home. Keep your siblings out of your room with a brilliant bedroom alarm, power a propeller motorboat, make a stereo from pipes, and build your own AM radio by following step-by-step instructions and using affordable equipment. Simple steps with clear photographs take readers through the stages of each low-cost project, with fact-filled how it works panels to explain the science behind each one, and to fascinate them with real-world examples. The projects progress from the fairly easy, such as constructing a working battery, to more challenging builds, including a remote-controlled snake. This book helps kids enjoy and explore science, technology, engineering, and math subjects, an important part of school curricula everywhere. Inventor Lab is the perfect companion for any inquisitive child with an interest in how the worlds of science experiments and technology work, and why. Find the link below and buy the book now.